Hello my friends and welcome back to Jhex Graphics. Today I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide on how you can mock up and present your logo using 3D mockups. Alright. Although I've made several videos on this, but I still get comments and I still get complaints by my subscribers and my students that they don't really understand how this is being done. So I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step guide, a well-detailed explanation on how you can mock up your designs using Photopea. All right, so I've already made this design using pixellab, so I'm going to walk you guys through the steps on how you can mock this up using Photopea. So if you are joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe and like the video if the video really helped you. You can also do me a favor and share it to your friends. Share it to your friends who are interested in learning how to do this, or who have been searching on how you can or how they can mock up their designs using Photopea. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to head to my browser. You can use any of your browser. So from here, I'm just going to type in Photopea, photopea.com on my browser. So this is the site. So just go to your browser and you type this site. So this is the site in which you can mock up and present your logo. You can make your logo look amazing using this site. All right. So once I have typed, I'll just click on it and then I'll wait while the site loads. All right. So I'm just going to follow this step by step so you can get to understand how this works. So what I'm doing now is to wait for the site to load, all right? And once it loads, I will show you guys the next step to follow. All right, so this is the site we'll be using to mock up and present our design. The first thing you will do here is to click on your files. So this is the file. This is the file. So once you click here, you would want to click on open. So this is open. So this opens allows you to import the PSD mockup. So the PSD mockup is the mockup that you want to use to reflect your design. So there are different kind of mockups depending on what you want to present. All right. So, but for this tutorial, I'm just going to be using the 3D glass wall logo mockup. All right. So the 3D glass wall logo mockup is an already made design, an already made project PSD files. All right. So I'm just going to import that, and the link to that file will also be on the description. So once you're done watching this movie, you can head to the description and then download it for yourself. So once I click on open, it will lead me to my file storage. So I just need to click on my files and then I will go straight to my downloads, because this is where I saved the PSD file. So I'm just going to search for it, and then okay, all right, so this is it. This is the file already. So this is an already extracted format. So in case you downloaded yours and it is in zip format, you just need to extract them, and then you will get this 3D glasswall folder here. So in case you downloaded your mockup and it is in a zip format and you don't know how to extract it so you can get the PSD format in which you can use for your mockup, the way to do it is to, okay, let me search if I still have this 3D glass zip format. 3D. Okay, I think I still have it, which is this. So if you check, okay, let me try to rename this. If I try to rename this, you see that this has .psd, .zip, and you can't use this directly in Photopea. All right. So to extract this, you just need to click on it, and then you select all this, and then you click on extract. So you just need to pick a storage if you want to extract it to your download. Like I extracted mine, I used the download to extract mine, which is why you are seeing this this 3D glass window logo mockup file here. So I just need to click on extract, and then I'll go back to my download, and you can see that it will appear twice. As you can see, here it is. So this was the initial one I extracted earlier, and this is the present one, right? So this is the easy way on how you can extract your file. But in case you downloaded your mockup file and it was already in PSD format, which is okay, let me try to rename this now, the extracted one. You see that this one has the .psd. So since it's already in .psd file format, there's no need to extract. You can use this one directly in Photopea, right? So that's this, that's that. So let's continue. All right, so here we are. If we check all this, you will see that some are in JPEG format. Like as you can see, this is preview.jpg. So if you import this now, you'll see that if you check the layers, these layers are not editable, because most of my subscribers and students, they'll say that this is not editable. You can't, they don't see the place your logo, they don't see the smart something and the rest. So once you import a PNG, sorry, a JPEG or a PNG format, you can't edit them, because a PNG and a JPEG format are already the final designs, but not the project. So you can't edit them. All right, so I'm just going to go back to those same steps we followed. Files, open, and then I'll go back to that. All right, we are here. So if you to check here, you see that this one I'm going to import now is a file in PSD format. Okay, if you have to use your phone now and check, maybe like check the name, although I can't do that here. If you want to check, like to edit the name, to rename it, you see that it has .psd. So those are the files that you edit. So those are the projects that you can edit and make and change to your logo, right? So before you import it, a mockup, make sure it is not the JPEG format or the PNG format you are importing. You are importing the one that the name has .psd. So those are the ones you can edit. So those PSD are just Photoshop final project format. Although some other design softwares like InDesign or Illustrator has their own stuff. Although we're just working with PSD, right? So I'm just going to click on this and import them. So I'm just going to wait while this loads. So sometimes this usually take a while depending on your phone RAM and depending on the size of the project. So as you can see, this was really quick. So what I'll just do is to click on layer. So this icon over here, all right, this icon over here is the layer icon, the one that has the 3 document folders, the layer icon. So I'm just going to click on it. And then here where you have place your logo or place, you can see add your logo, place your logo, add your design, anything you see. You just need to double click on the inner rectangle, on the inner square, sorry. As you can see, if you look into this square, you see an inner square there. You just click there twice. So once you click twice, it will open up another layer. As you can see here, you are seeing the preview logo, the already existing logo, and then here your logo. All right, so what I'm just going to do is to click on the layer back. So once I click on this layer back, I will just remove the layer. So once I click here, you can see the initial design. So I'll just click here to show you the initial design. So I'm just going to click on that layer back. I'm just going to click here back. And then I will hide the preview logo. So I'm just going to click on the eye icon, with this eye icon, to hide that design that was already there. So I'm just going to click on it and hide them. Okay, from here, what I'm just going to do next is to click on files again. So I'm just going to click on these files again. And then I'll click on, all right, I'm click on open and place. So this open and place will allow me to import my design and then place it in this empty space. So I'm just going to click on that open and place now. So once I click this, it will lead me to my file storage. So you just need to choose where your design was saved. And normally it's usually saved in the pixellab folder. So I'm just going to select pixellab, and then I will choose the design I made initially, which is this. So I'm just going to wait while this loads. I'm just going to wait. So just take your time and wait while the stuff loads. All right. So after this is done, you can decide to, increase it or reduce it. Maybe you're not okay with the size. You can decide to increase it and make it bigger. After you've done that, you just need to come over to the files again. So, okay, you guys are already familiar with the files menu. So just click on the files. But this time around, you click on save as smart object, which is this. So just click on save as smart object. So I'm just going to click on this and wait while it saves my design as smart object. So this is just like reflecting all the effects, all the shadows, the blending options that was made, that was used in the initial design to your present design. So you're just going to wait while Photopea works on your design. And once it loads, I will then show you guys the next step to follow. All right. So guys, while we wait, subscribe. Just click on that subscribe button below. It's free to subscribe. And what if the video really helped you, like and also share to your friends who are interested in learning how to do this. Mocking up your logo makes your logo presentable and what unique. It attracts clients and the rest. So after this is done, what I will just need to do now is to click on this. Just click once on this 3D Lego layer here. I'm just going to click there once and wait. Okay. So what you will do next is to click on the files again, and then you choose, all right, sorry, files. So you click on files again, and then you choose export. And so you do want to choose, okay, so you can choose a PNG or a JPEG format. So I'm just going to choose the PNG format for this video. So let's just wait while it saves our design as a PNG file format. So guys, while we wait, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you can as well give me a thumbs up if this video really helped you, and you can give me super thanks just as a token of appreciation. So once you click on save, it's going to prompt you to watch an ad. So just click on OK and watch the ad. So this ad won't take time, so you just need to watch the ad. And once you've watched the ad, your design will be saved automatically. See, as you can see, the ad is real quick, and we're done. So just need to, as you can see, the design is already saved and you can open it now. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you all next in my next tutorial.